Welcome to the YouTube channel. Let's start for today, and first is a classic example of the road rage.
Oh, what the fuck, Christine? Record this shit, man. What the fuck is this? Call 911, hurry up. ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Qué te pasa, güey? No te pegué nada. Estoy con mi esposa yendo para la casa. ¿Por qué estás así? No te dice nada. No te pegué nada.
Tienes secuestrado a mi hermano.
¿Pero por qué a mí,
Porque
güey?
me equivoqué, papá, disculpa.
Pero ahora voy a tener que hablar. No, come on, man.
Sí, man,
Me
sorry.
chingaste en mi carro, man.
I'm sorry, man.
It's on my phone.
Okay.
It's on the thing.
Okay.
I can't call. Your phone is me.
Okay.
Please let us play your recording.
Yeah,
This driver has balls.
Life economics and the tools such as human capital, intellectual capital, and city brand needed to succeed in the changing world.
It was red for a pedestrian. Unnecessary brake check or provocation. Illegal lane splitting.
I wonder what's working. Do you want to stand up when your customers are online?
Ad paid for by the Sentinel Group. Attention parents with a child diagnosed with autism or severe ADHD. A recent congressional study found dangerously high levels of